Okay guys, welcome to my other video on how to make money. If you haven't yet subscribed guys, please subscribe on my channel so that you can learn how to make money online. We share many ways on making money online. So today guys, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make $18 over and over and over again using your laptop or your phone guys, you understand? So this is very simple, and if you can also see that I'm just making these short videos for you to simply catch up on what you want to know. I do not want to go around and beat around the bush. I'm just going to simply go straight into the video guys. Can you please check out? I'm going to be with you step by step. Firstly, I'll show you where you can get the money, and then I'll show you how you can make the money. All right, so now there's a website here. The website is called Yazing. If you can go to Google that site. Remember, I'm not selling anything. All right, this is absolutely free. It's yazing.com. If you log into Yazing, obviously you put your personal details. You want to get paid, right? So you put your personal details, and then when you scroll down, you'll see something like this. This is yazing.com here. All right. So now you'll scroll down here, guys. There are brands. There are a lot of brands. You can see there are a lot of brands that you can promote and make money from. All right. So each and every brand, even if I can scroll down, there are a lot guys, a lot. This is money guys, this is money. Look, $45. If you promote this brand, each and every time somebody buys or something, there you get $45. If you promote here, you get 10% of whatever they are promoting here. All right, so we're making money here guys. This is a make money platform. If you come here, you can see on the dashboard, this is a new dashboard. All right, so don't say, why are you not making the money? No, this is a new dashboard. All right, so I just prepared everything so that you guys can see, so that I can also teach you how you can simply make the money from this. All right, so now you can see when you get paid, your money will be pending here. With the paid money will be here. Your transaction, everything is transferable. Is transferable. Is you can see each and everything, guys. Come on. It's transparent. Or what do they say? Let me see here. All right, we go back to our dashboard, guys. All right, let's go back to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. Okay, let's say, all right, we are here on the brands. All right, so the whole aim of this video is for you to see how you can simply make $18 each and every time, guys. Each and every, like maybe an hour or a minute, I'm going to show you that. Right, we've got a package here. You can see it's back box. You can take this one. It's very hot, guys. This is very hot, simply meaning that if you can take this package right now and implement what I'm telling you right now in this video, you can start making money immediately, because of I'm just making this video, guys, for you to start making money as well as I'm doing. Right, so now when you come to this to this back box, all right, you can simply come here and say promote to end. They'll just give you the link like that, guys. You do not have to be applying or doing so many things. They'll give you the link like that as it is. This is your link that you have to promote. All right, come here, copy your link, or you can simply press here, copy your link. Is still the same thing. All right, so if you want to see, okay, what does Backbox have for us, you can simply close, maybe go to the next step, open next step. Okay, my link there. Okay, so now guys, you will be wondering, like, why Backbox out of all this these other brands that are there. You can choose any brand that you want, guys. All right, and then as long as you are good at the brand, you are good at the niche, you can start making money on whatsoever brand that you make. All right, because of just doing I've been doing a blog on dogs, so that is why I chose this one. But then I also make $18 each and every time somebody purchases from Parksbox. All right. What actually happens here, you can see whenever someone purchases something from Parksbox, it's only for their dogs, guys. It's for the dogs. No one is saying Parksbox, Parksbox. You understand? It's for the dogs. So now, whenever somebody purchases something with this box, guys, this box comes with some, you can see beef here. This is dog food. So Parksbox delivers this food to your doorstep. If you've got your dog and then you want to buy your dog something, they deliver this box to your doorstep. So it's only $18, guys. You understand? So now, how are we going to make our $18 out of this? Now, Aris, you've told us we've got our Parksbox, we've got everything, okay, sharp. We've got our link. Okay, guys, this is very, 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 very simple. All right. So you take your link and then you go to this website that you always use each and every day, that has got 1,000,000 billion viewers, which is Instagram, guys. Go to Instagram. When you go to Instagram, you'll see, guys, it's just that my computer is loading very slow. I do not know why. Okay, I've been checking on this. Okay, this is one of my blogs. I've got something like 3 blogs on the dog side because of what I'm saying. Can you see this? All right, can you see this, guys? This is Parksbox. All right. Already I've got followers here. Some I've just made 3 sales on this one, on this blog here. Okay, if you can just click on this link here, you can see it takes you straight to that Parksbox. All right. So 1 million people, guys, will come back to this link. Will come and see this link as long as I'm posting something they want, posting these dogs, they see these dogs. You just they just automatically see those pictures, guys. You come and make sure that you follow some other people who've got dogs, who've got dogs, who like dogs. Actually, you understand? People who've got dogs. Obviously, you cannot buy something for your dog when you don't have a dog. You understand? So you have to look for dog lovers, people who love dogs. All right. So now, when you come here, you see when I'm on my Instagram, if I say dogs. Can you see, guys? Can you see? All right. Can you see? These people love dogs. All right. Let me see. Let me just show you here. Just for you to show you that this is not a small niche. This is a big niche. All right. People love dogs, guys. People buy dog stuff. Imagine like 4 million, actually 5 million people. Out of 5 million, you only get like 500,000 people buying your stuff from, or with only $18, getting $18 times 500,000. Imagine that, guys. That is money, guys. Listen, guys. If you are really, really serious about making money, if you are really, really serious about making money, you can actually picture what I'm actually trying to show you right now. You can simply come here, or you can buy shoutouts if you want to. You can simply make yourself maybe a simple blog on on dog parks or something, or any brand there. You can go to Instagram shoutouts. You can buy shoutouts. They can also assist you, and then you get more people, more buyers to your link. Each and every minute, each and every second while you're sitting down, guys, you can see money going into your PayPal. $18. This is money, guys. So do not forget, guys. Instagram, go and open yourself an Instagram page. Just put your link there. People will go into your link, and then make sure you follow people who are on your niche. If you are doing a beauty niche, make sure you follow people who are doing a beauty niche. All right. So now, do not forget the website is yazin.com, right? Yazin.com. Guys, if ever you found any benefits in this video, or if ever you learn something, guys, because of we learn each and every day, you understand? So I'm not doing this video to be maybe better or something, but then I'm still making money from what I've just taught you right now. All right. So if ever you found any thing that you learned, you can simply smash that like button on this video. You can simply subscribe for more videos so that you can see more videos, because I'll be teaching you so many ways. I've got so many ways to teach you how you can simply make money online. All right. So subscribe, like the video. We'll meet in our next video. All right. Thank you.